Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Honorable Ma'am Aini is our lecturer in Pedagogy of Speaking course and unforgettable all my friends and my love. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are in good condition. Firstly, I'd like to say thank you very much to Ma'am Aini for giving us the time and place to present the result of our group discussion. Here, we as Group 7 would like to present the result of the discussion about speaking through AI. But before we start to present our group discussion, let us introduce ourselves, starting from me, Dewi Ramadhani, as the moderator and the fourth speaker.
My name is Delvina Tumalandrero as the first speaker.
My name is Mafira Abdul Maina as the second speaker.
My name is Ira Puspitasari as the sixth speaker.
My name is Muhammad Khalil Fattah as the third speaker.
My name is Rizka Handani as the fifth speaker.
Welcome all our group members. And now let's start the group presentation, starting from the definition. The first material will be presented by Delviana. Dear Delviana, the golden stage is yours.
Okay, thank you. What is the AI? AI or artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems, processing a specific application of IA include experience system, natural language processing, and speech recognition and machine vision. I think that's all for me.
Thank you, Delviana. And now we move to the second material that will be presented by Mafira. Dear Mafira, the stage is yours.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. I would like to explain the definitions of teaching speaking through artificial intelligence tools. Next one, please. Teaching speaking through artificial intelligence means that teach speaking to students using artificial intelligence tools that can be used as an easier way to develop the speaking skills of the student. Why? Because AI or artificial intelligence can contribute to improve the pronunciation errors of the students. And based on some experts that you can see, guys, who staff the artificial intelligence, when the student teach with the artificial intelligence, it's automatic speech recognition or ISR, which AI can recognize how their speech, their voice in a similar order with how the human recognize their speech. It means that AI or artificial intelligence can be used to improve the foreign language of the student, while the native speaker are not available in the classroom context. Thank you. I'll hand it off to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Mafira. Now we move to the third material that will be presented by Khalil. Dear Khalil, the mic is yours.
Thank you for the opportunity. Now I will explain about the importance of teaching speaking through AI. There are three important things. The first one is AI can be used to analyze information obtained from the student, like learning activities and the test results. The second is the teacher can fully control the student learning situation and adapt education according to the student needs. And the last one is AI can be used to create game-based learning that can make the learning process more fun and more attractive. I think this is enough for my presentation. I hand it over to the moderator.
Well, thank you, Khalil. And now we move to the work material that was presented by me. So there are advantages and disadvantages of teaching speaking through AI. Okay, the first one is the advantages. The first one is better for students with special needs. AI and its technology can help students with special needs. Students with special needs require more attention by teachers, and AI can facilitate it since AI is able to store and save the progress of each student. The second one is virtual humans. AI provides virtual humans, and as we know that some students are introverts. An introvert will hard to talk to others or even talk in front of the class. And here, AI will help the students who are struggling with introvert. So AI with its feature, virtual humans, will help them to start talking with others or even when it is not a real human. The third one is facilitation by example. AI provides a lot of examples. This can make the student easy to learn because they can easily read, listen, or even watch a lot of examples. As we know that, as the wise words say that practice makes perfect. The fourth one is reduction in human error. AI facilitates the program. It makes AI able to do everything correctly based on its program. This will reduce in human error because humans have this ability to produce the same and correct pronouns on every word, while AI able to do the same thing with the same result over and over again. 5. Immersive learning at 24/7 available. AI able to work 24/7. Furthermore, people can access it anytime and wherever they are. This means that AI able to support teaching and learning process to be an immersive learning because they can learn after class or anytime they want to. Despite over a lot of advantages, teachers speaking through AI also have disadvantages. The first one is human interaction decreases. Students will lose the ability to practice and learn social skills because they don't come into contact with real people during class time. This makes it hard for them when they get out of school and socialize with others. Moreover, it will lead them to be more lazier to socialize with others. The second one is lack of emotional intelligence. Besides teaching academic intelligence, teachers have to teach the student about emotional intelligence such as empathy. While the AI couldn't facilitate the student with this intelligence. The third one is AI data problem. AI needs a lot of information in order for the computer program to learn properly. But there are many problems that come along with this process. If this problem happens, AI may not work well or even not work at all. And also, AI may hack the students' data as well. The fourth one is artificial intelligence addiction. AI and its features are in a great risk of making addiction. Students could lose interest in learning because they are more interested in AI devices, which is a disadvantage of AI used for educational purposes. Besides, teachers will lose their job when students need to be taught by the real teacher since AI couldn't teach some knowledge, for example, emotional intelligence. The last one is elevated costs. As we know that AI needs to be improved regularly. So there will be a need to cover expensive costs for purchasing hardware or software that can support AI capabilities such as facial recognition or natural language processing tools, which would make it hard, or we can say it is very difficult for school system with little funding to implement these technologies into their classroom. I think that's all from me. Now we move to the fifth presenter. The fifth presenter will be presented by Rita and
Thank you for the opportunity. Okay, I will explain in the steps teaching speaking through artificial intelligence. The first is after all students have entered the classroom, the teacher asks students to calm down or pay attention. So the student can say attention please or something like that. So that the teacher can say attention please or something like that. So the student can be more focused when the teacher explains the material. After that, the teacher can give a question as an icebreaker. The teacher asks what students know about artificial intelligence. So students know. Students. After that, the students maybe answer what is artificial intelligence, or some of them didn't know what is artificial intelligence. After the student answer what they know about artificial intelligence, the teacher then explain in detail what artificial intelligence is. After that, after the student understand the teacher's explanation, students are given direction to download one of the all-based application such as Duolingo, Cake, or something like that. After students download the application, for example Duolingo, the teacher provides instruction for using the application. So the students can show how to use that application to their students. And then the learning process begins. And the last step is the teacher gives an evaluation task to find out how effective the artificial intelligence method is in learning speaking. Thank you. I'll hand it over to moderator.
Thank you, Aristra. The last material will be presented by Ira. Ira, the golden stage is yours.
Okay, I will explain about AI tools that can be used for teaching speaking. Next slide, please. Okay, here is 7 apps that we can use in teaching speaking. The first app is Duolingo, Speaky AI, Speaky English, Hello English, Speak Native. Next slide, please. And also there are Elsa Speak and Cake. Okay, I will explain about Elsa Speak first. Okay, Elsa Speak is a product of AI. Elsa's AI has a 95% accuracy rate that allows students to compare their speech with a native speaker. And then also this AI product can highlight and revise any errors, and also can give feedback detailed on pronunciation, grammar, and fluency. According to managing director at Yola, Nando, says that with Elsa, students expose new sounds and also new right intonation patterns, rhythms, and stresses. And the great thing is you have a native speaker to speak to, you have a native speaker to listen to, and you have a native speaker to practice at any time of the day. So it is a benefits of Elsa. The next please. And also there is a Cake. Cake is an egg. So cake is not cookies. Cake is an app that teaches English to children by encouraging them to learn new words and expressions. And then this app provides a fun way to learning English. So it can intimidate the students that English is a fun course to learn. And then also it is engaged with basic English sentences and easy works. I think that's all from me. I hand it over to the. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Ira. Since we have presented all of our materials, and now
One question only. For all of the students who want to address the question for all the same who has presented.
here